And to back here, about 4 days ago, Anna joined us for MK publication. The Ano Muchiremo, the amount of money, just say 205 Ato Forson together with Bank of Ghana injected into the Forex market just to stabilize the dollar. And my balance and I'm $10 billion any tree. I'm even as a $1 as at the air cost. And no, Hon Abronye Dc, Hon Abronye Dc, be chairman, or better than Adrian, in fact. Wa blast Ato Forson yankasa wa blast ne pa be man chire mu no akire wa adwen amame e wo comment section I Penyah block media mess wa say ni di mo o be like video no that ma subscribe button stand by click notification can no latest update na be chire wa adwen di amame e wo comment section so ba so no je for so enya bi ahwe you know e ya na ta ka say Ghana ne ni sika in a way say teachers for atifie yen for mo adwuma ni nyina sika se mu te sika be tu bu country for mo adwuma ko sika ho anke be for mo nyina adwuma Omo asebi ye former adwuma last year crown. O market you and I something which is there. ABC etua. ABC entua. Omo si etua so ebi mu kire say nurses for bi kire say etua just 1 month depend ma obo so ba go pack etua. Just say I BB something which is there. As ye hu ni kude wo mu. But majority na tell market you am even demonstrations upon demonstrations. Enra chi crown. Enra nurses for your demonstration. And omo ka omo akosem. Just no, I be but on the internet, on social media, so every music can say, be a quay. What I say? But on grounds, on reality, you won't hear Masosa. Emma met Mukat no be case last year, 24 October, and Okoyi car. Now her duties so 2 year now or the compare and rich year or Sakoyi that same car. Duties, there's a vast difference. Duties, let's say, cost as meanwhile, I see inflation above from. About 6.8%. Dollar swati. Just still. Ye who dia memwo no ene bia e kopa pe bia. Oda say na enwe mu no ene ko ba ye say sika Ghana 2025 we no ya pompe akowura dollar mu pese de chi dollar no enye sika kuma 10 billion US choppable dollars. Say sika we e chechere oman ne fa because Ibrahim Traore Burkina Faso mine no tomato factory be a Africa you say the biggest tomato pressing factory can or spend just $20 million. But Ghana yanya $10 billion. And this kind of good at opre. Ye di ura dollar musi $1. Burkina Faso man wa forget $2 no good man yo. How? Forget to be currency through my still Ghana need the dollar chi. And our man aye children. Dollar any dollar kunto kwa. Iti nyeska kwa say dey ya dey bie enwuma mama brunya bi ya that is kind of kura dollar mu na ahekwa na dollar as of 6 January 2025 and sana dey beche ami ade akonya na mama hama no na dollar either 14 cedi 75 pesos at the selling price and the buying price on either 14.7 flat. From there now as it stands today dollar can call 11.5 80 sika na ye pompi ura dollar pompi pom fa so be ne wo so ye pompi kuma na ba within be week na say cost this can go di and sika no losing credibility na say cost edidi ye pompi gum no fa so be pa na wo so ntino ye mfa sika na nya empunto bi abebo man no ye mfa miem be dwuma abebo Ghana a o mabru be nya so fa so be feel say now president betena konya so no ye hu changes. And one year internet news say inflation ever from dollar ever from but on grounds on reality and yes and the people don't feel it. It just say and no Hon Abronye Dc na adwen e wo ho no blàst Ato Forson pa
port wa ba be piem awreho ebra MPP zoom power in 2017 na international reserves na enkoba bia international reserves na less than $3 billion and no mo hwe say o mine wa dachi ye hwe international reserves na e ka say o mine we e wa dachi yes wo international reserves na international community hwe no maka say o mine we e wo future na international reserves amudi jana na do danko akofo ado Less than $3 billion. MPP handing over power. Ediama NDC 2025 January 7th for no. Na doni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia atima peja ye international reserves no amana kwa kodru $126 billion from 3 billion. Ni akwa kodru $126 billion. Eno na kire say within 8 years no Nanado pesi kadema o mine Ghana ye dachi ni ye nchirima nso enyankrofo bi mo tena nchen omu nim sa anokore we nyina but omu se Ghana politics se wan nitro anwu nipa na oteso na ye nto aba ma said by John Mahama, the president of the land. Nti ono ne nkrofo tena dan mu se si etena ye kwa campaign ye kwa kase MPP buy international reserves or more pejam edi free $3 billion at the call $126 billion. Not just a Ghana dachi ya young winia bano until ye kwa campaign. Wow, Bejina platforms will be a Casa Abronye Cromfo, Casana Nadu a Cromfo, Casana Nadu Nina Bushan for Ariaska, Casana Nadu Nini ministers, Ariaska, Sagana for Bejiadi, no Mapamomo. Because African politics, ye ni bre ye nyati so bia fasika, say ye tro, say no kro, yombe jiedi, intino, ye magana fon time abina or tiswono, ye nanado abine, yankaso muvia or mine sika, or mine ban a baby sika, ne na pontis. Any president, you know, every year, number international reserve, you know, atima grow from $3 billion to $126 billion within 8 years. If we are seeing now who say, or mine Ghana, Nanado the Obeko Munani attempt any a COVID problem over facing, you know. Watima peja magana a mansaya who said Ghana ye wo japadia dachi ye day edaho. And nay and this bayano woman say San international reserves na edaho. And no ye did determine Ghana dachi. And no ye did determine say ye nchirima wo bibi jinaso. Sempe for ye wo hoi to sign. And Krana Bebano, I will fapping be on Betimidia Ginaso, and they are bought on mine brano, and ne President Mahama, and then Ato Forson, Abu Uraho. I catch the Bank of Ghana. I'm on Marco Fat $10 billion a free, or mining that in foot $10 billion. A dear no de Baya, almost one de Babe Kun, Abo, a city home buy, I'm a city no, I'm a dollar a coffin. Yo, yati. Senanado danko akofo adone Bawumia. Etime build international reserve. Amani drew $126 billion. Na say ye paligu ho. Aman mujitum, aman nei, mutimi bowura ho. Ekoko fa $10 billion. Samode babe yema, sidi ejina. Ama dollar aba system ni mwa. Mwa fa $10 billion. But Ghana ha. There is a shortage of a serious shortage of dollar. Ewo Ghana ha. A $24 nibi. A $24, one country a $24 say. Mudi tema injected $10 billion into the Forex. And tiama dollar number from interbank rate. Yes, on the say 11.4, 11.5. But okwa bank ya. Objadini biya ni wa nei. Obetima ura bank ayi $100,000 da. You will not get it. No bank in the country. And the bema ne customer I withdraw $100,000 a free na account mo. Me boa etina Ato Forson should come and challenge me. Sa $10 billion na a buying any Bank of Ghana for free international reserve mu. I inject into the forest. I buy a city number from mu. Mumisa and President Mahama or the finance minister and then the governor of the Bank of Ghana say $10 billion you know are fine because the $10 billion you know any system ni mu. So Motima injecting $10 billion. Aba sister no mu say be ya siri be ko from there. Aden na dwadifo enya dollar no enkonko didwa. Mudi aba muti siri na reduce. Dollar no aba from. But dwadifo enya dollar. Dwadifo no dollar na $10 billion na mudi aba no. Mo se mo inject e di aba ama dollar ko from na dwadifo so tima ko akodidwa. Men katre mo say sa $10 billion na mo se mo di aba no eni adwadifo ho enu nti na niema bo enko fam no se aban eka se adwadifo ntete niema so a adwadifo tete so enye yie kire se wokwa bangia ye be katre se adwadifo kwa bangia dollar rate no o say 11 but dwadini ne kwa China obenya $100,000 onya Jadinini kwa China, over here $20,000, but no bank. And a bema Jadinino or Bora Bang or $20,000 ya or Bre Onya. $10,000 Jadini Onya. Until the Jadifwana Yen say they go to the black market. Adia Coco Bangia, Obenyan $1 series no. Jadinino kwa Bangia Onya and to a black market near the amount of 14. And now, so black market see ana dollar no aye 13 cents up to 14 and I get the for no yere etono enti ene 14 na mo beto ye na nado dan kwa akofado pens no difference bi anim someone injected $10 billion e de awura sa economy wemu na still a black market and I get the for kwaje dollar. A year 1350, any 1370 dia, and ya mobile $14.70. Mobile $14.70, 2025, January 5th, not dollar, a year 14.70. Ghana got the 41 dance here say, not dollar, a year 14.70. And in nay, I got the 4 guso, say above from that say 1350, ni 1360. Nasa bank so the dollar $10 billion and na ura Forex market mu nasa still no mon san kasikana mene matwefo ne Ghana adwadifo bisa say sa $10 billion mo de fa he abesi ne adwadifo nya dollar no e wo banks no commercial banks no emfa nkodidwa na mom this a black market. Bank of Ghana governor esesa obetiretirim say o man way Yetima for $10 billion at the free international reserve mu said the barber kun ama dollar bafam not a still a Ghana $24 not this omukwa black market there. Finance minister make the governor of Bank of Ghana and President Mahama Ghana 4 year and chiremu babi $10 billion no afa because $10 billion no man pump it into the market no. And to Sikano, 1 year free international reserve. Ye pese hu babi Sikana fa. Ye hear explanation from the president, from the finance minister, from the governor of the Bank of Ghana. Yes, ye hear sa explanation no. Na obi ayere etene ho ase. Ye man nkwa sa akwa. O man bia ni wa ye ba inject $10 billion. To support businesses, not still ano traders. Enya sika sa currency no konko didwa dia. Na mo de ne say, mo say ya inject. But adwadifo struggle to get the dollar. This is called black market. Mo the restriction to withdrawal so on dollar account. All the banks. What the restriction to so on all the banks. Yenim niako nti niamoke kan ye. Niamoke kan ye. Ya kan sa wie no. Na ye call the lithium agreement. You see? Sa lithium we no President Mahama ebie na no ka say na nado danko akofo ado ne ba omia ya akromfo no maton central region e de agisika di but oman no mineral bi pie ba bia eno nkire se region ne dia region no ye major beneficiary because e ho na pie free to say western region all ye pie ye no western region ye major beneficiary but all ye no ye Ghana dia sana constitution ne kire se ba bia mineral bia be pie no e ye oman no adia oman ni nyina adia President Mahama call then 2024 okoko gina central region e katre central region for say womonto abama ono na lithium na appear o central region no akofo ado ne na busuafo and akosan agreement agi percentage ketua bia eye 10% na okanya katre central region for say so omonto aba womonto antia baomia na baomia nim hu bi baomia ne akofo ado na yes agi sa 10% no John Mahama, President John Mahama, na numasem odema 2024 to the good people of central region say lithium na appear wo honom no ebeboa region ma region apagya no akofo ado ne na busuafo ne baomia akwakoton agibibi kakra bia ye 10% na omoto abama ono President Mahama oba se agreement no de akọ 20% Sabaya central region ni oman Ghana be benefit because a Ghana agreement. Sabaya nkrofo na ono de be 20 to 30% na central region ni oman Ghana a benefit and ombo munsam pra. And this yamanyokuo a press conference e wo Ghana ha eka say lithium agreement no as second MPP aban and negotiate 20% na 10% ni yede efa through the propaganda and in throw mudi yesa akofo ado ne na busuanfo aton no mo ba ye yante se mo de akofo ado court se wafa lithium mo yante you because no catch Ghana for say akofo ado ne na busuanfo aton agisika di nti the first thing is obi ton ade a esa mo ba ye na mo de akofo ado court na mo de company na eto ye ne ka ho yente court action bia ne yete ni say President Mahama ne lands minister any NDC party any company no akwakosia aye agreement ne foforo mo ye agreement na akofo ado 10% no afeli aba 5% akofo ado no ye kromfo no baomia mo se baomia na support akofo ado manage 10% lithium agreement no ento omonto abantia baomia no afeli President Mahama ba ya wakoye renegotiation okoye renegotiation no one nkrofo na akoshe danum one lands ayi abino NDC abino any lands minister akoshe danum NDC government President Mahama da no womo company na ye no mo to lithium agreement no akoshe danum womo koshe danum agreement na mo MPP koye no mo ho ofedodo ne mo ka mo nka mayentie ye de kwa ye 5% betchemo nti Ghana de Ghana NDC aban timi ka kire company na oba ye lithium oba to lithium no ha say Ghana for hia sika nti amoma Ghana for 5% NDC government etimi ka kire company na oba to lithium no wo kroma no say Ghana for hia sika infante for hia sika nti ye ma omo 5% ombaje NDC government akoye renegotiation akatre company ne say 10% na woman MPP kan yen eso na Ghana de ye hia sika ye mfa sika nyehwe Ghana ye mobo na ye mobo ne say ya bato obema ye mobo Ghana ye bekoso ye mobo because of kwana ye faso ye dai eto aba ye bekoso ye mobo because obi akọ negotiate 10% party be a press conference at 10% in Israel. Sa party no di intronya power wie ya wakachire company ni say Ghana yemfa sika nya hwe nti 10% ni doso nti NDC aban compare President Mahama yen central region say 10% ni so no and na President Mahama kachire company ni say 10% ni so nti no company ni nte so wo mote so a 5% na o mo de baaye no ama oman Ghana yahwere $630 million, over $500 million. Yahwere na party a Ghana for mo se mo na mo ye social democrat, mo na mo se mo dwene Ghana for ho, mo na mo se Ghana e former godie bia no mo betuma bo ho ban na de Akufo Addo ye ne nye mo na mo be ye ne yie no mo ba ya ni Akufo Addo aya o man ni ba benya sika kase no mummom mo fa tire ko ka tire broni ni say ni Akufo Addo de ma Ghana fo no doso de don't company no enti so company no enti so ene andis yaban e ko ka tire broni company obetu lithium ne say Akufo Addo 10% no esododo edoso dodo enti broni ni enti so Emma andis yaban ene broni na ye one ama afraid omo di free 10% about 5%, all because aban we say Ghana de ye nya sika.
So the word mama comment section. I Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!